folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using affordable ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Blue Curacao cocktail, the Electric Blue Lemonade. So, as far as Blue Curacao goes, it's just orange liqueur that's colored blue. There's really no need to have both. You can just do a bottom shelf technique and get some regular triple sec orange liqueur here. Get some blue food coloring. And there's your Blue Curacao. Alright, so to make our Electric Blue Lemonade today, we're going to need a few ingredients. Our main liquor is vodka. This is Smirnoff. It's a pretty decent brand. You can pick it up for 12 to 15 bucks. And we're going to use some Sprite, some lemonade, and some lime juice. So let's go ahead and get started with our Electric Blue Lemonade. First, half an ounce of lime juice. 2 ounces of lemonade. 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. And 1 ounce of vodka. And top it off with some Sprite. Alright folks, the Electric Blue Lemonade. Cheers! Well folks, I definitely recommend the Electric Blue Lemonade. It's sweet, it's refreshing, it's bubbly. I would say the primary flavor that comes through is orange, followed by the lemonade. And if you wanted to make it stronger, you could just put as much vodka in there as you like. There's only 1 ounce in this one. Well folks, that's going to just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite Blue Curacao drink. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you in the next episode.